Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ThermoPro brand, their TP509 candy meat or deep frying thermometer with pot clip on there, instant read with a large LCD display. As you can see on there, you have a choice of Fahrenheit or centigrade on here. You just instantly hit the button once and it comes on. It quickly reads, it'll read the temperature. You can see it's reading the temperature of my hand right there. Has this adjustable stainless steel pot holder right there that you can lock onto the pan, and it comes with a nicely written instruction manual, and of course it has the contact information from the company. The company responds to all kinds of questions you have, and this is a high quality product. You're going to want to use this whenever you want to do any type of meat cooking or candy making or deep frying. It's important to know the actual temperature. This varies, which is really nice. You can go as much as 90 degrees. Clicks into place. This is waterproof, so you can actually rinse it down, and if you get some oil or sugar on here, it's easy to clean. And the probe is also extra thick, so it's not going to be easily damaged. And it has a little silicone tip on there that you could put it on there when you're using it in your drawer. The display on here is a large LCD display, so it does show up nicely when you're using it, and with that angle change you can get the right angle for viewing, so that's easy to see. So what's the range of this cool probe? I mentioned it's IPX5 rated, so you don't throw about water, but the range is -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really a wide range, so that you can use it for a lot of different applications. In candy making, a lot of times you want to have a wide range just like that. The probe on here is 8 inches, and again, it's very durable, long stainless steel probe, and it seems to respond really quickly and very accurately within half a degree. So I recommend this product. I think it's really cool. It's an advanced design, simple to use. With this piece right here, you can slide anywhere. Here's just a quick example. I have a nice pot that's stainless steel, and it's kind of vertical and less flat, and I have the monitor on right here, the ThermoPro, and you want to make sure that the base of it is about 1/4 inch up. You don't want it touching the bottom of the pan. This way you get more accurate readings. So it's just starting to boil right now, so this could be oil, this could be a sugar mixture for making candy. But the important thing is that it's accurate, and this is totally adjustable, and it stays put on the pan. I just love the angle ability of this, so that you can get the angle where it just goes right clear on the LCD display. So really cool. I'm impressed with the product, the quality of it. The probe is durable. That display is very impressive, how fast it is, and this seems to be very accurate. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.